Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to turn on dark mode or light mode in Linux Mint. This instantly transforms your desktop theme, switching your windows, menus, and taskbar backgrounds between a clean, bright layout or a power-saving, eye-friendly dark appearance. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Themes into the search bar and click the Themes icon from the results to open your desktop styling panel. When the configuration window pops up, ensure you are looking at the option row explicitly labeled Appearance. You will see the layout options displaying light, mixed, and dark system variations. Click on your preferred layout look to instantly switch your entire system interface environment to light mode or dark mode. Linux Mint updates your application layouts globally in real time, meaning your background themes flip the exact millisecond you click your choice. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.